first ingredient on a bag of Doritos is corn. That's pretty awesome, ain't it? There's a reason why I'm eating Doritos. Number one, it's got corn in it. Anyways, today is June 21st, 2013. A lot of my silk's dried out, so it's time to harvest. But before you get excited, got some bad news. The squirrels got to my corn this year. They've probably ate 95% of the corn that's ready on this side. The other side still has a couple more weeks, but this side don't look good. I got a clip I want to show you. Check it out.
I've been having a squirrel eat all my corn out there. Let's see. I just saw one walking right in there. There he is, right there. Where are you going, buddy? Huh? Your belly full? There's another one close by. Yeah, I got you. Oh. You must got your belly full this morning too. Let's try to sneak to the backside and try to get a little better shot. There we go. We got a hit. Just climbs right up there. He's hiding behind a leaf. Just don't care. Just eating all my corn. Look at him. You having fun, buddy? Time to break this party up. And there he goes. He's off with a belly full. Look at what they did. Goodness gracious alive. All the way down this row. Pretty much ate every cob. Oh, hey. How y'all doing? Yeah, that was a heartbreaker, wasn't it? Kind of disappointed myself. I did really good last year. I was kind of hoping to do even better this year. But the squirrels found my corn. Before I could find out what it was too late. They got the first 6 rows. They ain't gonna get the next. I'm gonna mix me up a hot pepper spray. Been doing a lot of research online, and there's a few people on there that's used it, and it seemed to work out pretty good for them. So I'm gonna try that out. As far as my beans and my squash goes, beans are growing real good. Squash is growing real good. They're getting enough sun, but as soon as my corn dies off, I'm gonna cut them off, and hopefully they'll get a lot more sun then. I went through and picked a few that the squirrels hadn't touched yet, and a couple of them look alright. I think they're supposed to be a darker yellow, but This one don't look too bad. Let me show you another one. Here's one right here. Looks alright. These cobs aren't as big as the Silver Queen and Golden Queen. They're a little smaller. Here's 3 of them right here. I say it may look like I got some corn, but that squirrel probably ate about 95% of the corn. So for my next corn harvest video, I hope to show you something a little better. Guys, thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned for the next corn harvest video. I should be doing it in a month or so. And I'll see y'all then. Bye.